In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Asana correctly, understanding workspace versus organization, and how to fix common mistakes. Let's dive in right away to shed some light on these common areas of confusion so you can make the most of Asana's powerful task management capabilities. When you're setting up Asana for the first time, it's crucial to grasp the difference between a workspace and an organization. This distinction is essential for avoiding headaches down the line, as many users initially create the wrong type of account, leading to struggles when trying to change it later. So, knowing what each one is can help you make an informed decision and fix any mistakes if they happen. First, let's clarify what a workspace is. A workspace is best suited for freelancers, small teams, or projects that aren't needed to be tied to a company domain. Each workspace operates independently, meaning projects and tasks within them are confined. You can't share them across other workspaces, you'll invite members individually, and there are no company-wide controls here, offering a simple yet effective setup for those smaller or more isolated endeavors. On the other hand, we have organizations. Organizations are designed for businesses that use a company email domain, like @yourcompany.com. This setup allows for multiple teams to coexist within the same organization, granting you more control over permissions, user management, and company-wide collaboration. In short, if you have a company domain, this is likely the right choice for a streamlined, integrated experience across your whole company. Now let's discuss some common mistakes you might face and how to reverse them should you find yourself needing to switch. One frequently encountered mistake is creating a workspace instead of an organization. If you initially signed up with a personal email but need an organization, you can switch to your work email under the settings, navigate to account, and then log out and back in. Go to admin console and choose convert to organization, but remember this option is only available if you have linked a company email. Once converted, you can go ahead and set up teams within your new organization. Another common error is using multiple workspaces instead of utilizing teams within an organization. If you find your work scattered across different workspaces, you'll want to transfer those projects and tasks to an organization. One way to do this is by using third-party tools like Kotar to facilitate the migration of projects. Lastly, a mistake to avoid is adding a work email to an existing workspace instead of creating an organization. If you find yourself in this scenario, remove your work email from the workspace and create a new Asana account with that email. Asana will recognize your company domain and will automatically set up an organization for you. So, before you begin setting up your Asana account, decide carefully whether you need a workspace or an organization based on your particular team structure and needs. This decision will help you avoid misconfigurations and save you from the hassle of manual migrations later.